Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your parking brake cable. If you lift up your handbrake and the handbrake goes up too high, that's because your parking brake cable is stretched. So if your parking brake cable is stretched, it is going to need an adjustment, because if you don't adjust that parking brake cable, your back wheel can still move, and this can cause your vehicle to roll backward when parked on a hill. So I'm going to show you guys how to adjust that parking brake. All you need is a set of wrenches and some sockets and a ratchet. First, start by lifting up the back end of the vehicle by placing it on jack stand, and don't forget to chock the front wheel. You don't want the vehicle to roll forward. So you're going to have two parking brake cable. This part here is for the driver's side back wheel, and this part here is for the passenger side back wheel. And make sure you pull on the parking brake cable and make sure it is not too stretched, because if it is too stretched out, you have to replace the parking brake cable. This is the handbrake assembly, and the part you want to adjust is going to be this part. This part here is the adjusting rod, and this part here, the front nut, is called the jam nut. So what you want to do is you want to remove the jam nut and adjust the adjusting rod by turning clockwise. When you turn the adjusting rod clockwise, this will pull the parking brake cable and make it tighter. So first thing first, remove the jam nut or the front nut. Now you're ready to adjust the adjusting rod. Now lift up your handbrake about 90% of the way. Right there. Now check the back wheel and let's see how much we need to adjust. So it's still moving a lot, so we need to adjust the adjusting rod. So turn clockwise. As I'm turning clockwise, you can see the cable is starting to pull this way. As you can see, the wheel is no longer moving. Let's turn it a little bit more for safe measure. That's perfect. When you're done, put the jam nut back on. And make sure to tighten this part here and this part here. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.